Okay, welcome back. In this short mini lecture, we are going to learn the difference between dehydration versus hydrolysis reactions. Okay, dehydration versus hydrolysis. Now, these two types of reactions are kind of like flip sides of the coin. Okay, in a dehydration reaction, you may have two monomers, which I'll draw as circles. All right, now let's give these monomers some polarity by adding a hydroxyl group onto one side of the monomer and a hydrogen to the other. Okay, now between these two monomers, can we see any opportunity for forming water? Okay, yeah, right here. I know, very leading question, right? So when these two monomers come into close proximity, the hydrogen off of one monomer and the hydroxyl group from the other can come together and leave as water. Okay, so that's where we get the name dehydration from. Okay, water leaves the monomers, and what happens is the monomers come together and have a new bond. So let's add the OH to this side and the hydrogen to this side just for the sake of being complete. Now, what if we wanted to add another monomer onto this new dimer? Well, we could bring in another monomer here, OH on that side, hydrogen on this side, and do the same darn thing. Where water goes away. Oops. And now we have a polymer that has 1, 2, and 3 monomers in length. Okay, so that's dehydration. That's how you put monomers together to make new polymers or to make longer polymers. Now hydrolysis, like I said, is the flip side of this coin. So let's take this same polymer, put our hydroxyl groups onto either side, hydroxyl group here, hydrogen here. Now, hydrolysis literally means using water to break a molecule. Lysis means to break, hydro refers to water. So how do we get these polymers to break down into simpler monomers? Well, we add H2O across. So using water to break a bond. So now we have a dimer, a two monomer polymer, right? And a monomer. What happens to the H, the 2, and the O? Well, here is the H is one of the hydrogens from H2O. There's the hydroxyl group from H2O. And for the sake of completeness, we'll just finish that off. Okay? And that is the difference between dehydration and hydrolysis. Now, why does this matter? All right. This is how we put together biological polymers and how we break down biological polymers. Okay, see you next time.